there! Rahul is worried about missing his test at school today as his father's car has failed to start. His dad said that the petrol in the car got over. He had gone to the nearest petrol station to get help, but even they ran out of petrol that day. Rahul started to think about how petrol is so difficult to find except petrol stations and how they run out of petrol. He asked this question to his father, who explained the details. Petroleum is formed under the seabed from these aquatic creatures. After these animals die, they settle on the seabed and get covered by layers of sand and clay and keep getting buried deeper down. With no oxygen and under high temperature and pressure, these animals turn into petroleum. But this takes millions of years to form. Today, we drill deep down the seabed, piercing through these layers of sand and clay to take out deposits of petroleum and natural gas. One important thing to know is that natural gas is always found above the petroleum layer because the gas is lighter than the liquid and floats on top. When this oil is extracted, it is not in its best form. It is very crude or raw. We may not use it directly. To make crude oil usable, we have to purify it. We have a process called fractional distillation. In this process, different products, for example, petrol, diesel, lubricants, etc., get separated depending on their boiling points at different temperatures. This is how we get a range of useful petroleum products from fractional distillation, of which we use petrol on which our cars run. Sadly today, Rahul's father has run out of petroleum. After a wait of millions of years and these long processes to obtain and use petroleum products, mankind is not using them prudently, because of which we see petrol stations running out of petrol. But if there is a problem, there is a solution too. Rahul remembered watching the news about electric cars on television and wished his father had bought one instead. With progress in science and technology, sustainable alternatives are researched and tried. One example is electric vehicles. They work similarly to mobile phones. Charge the battery and use it till the battery dies out. How much ever mankind progresses, we still have to do our best in saving fossil fuels by bringing out minor changes in our lifestyle. We must turn off the engines at signals. We must make sure that we get our cars serviced timely and also maintain proper air pressure in the tires. Hope you know a lot about petroleum now and you will do your best to save our fossil fuels. See you next time.